Not a lot of pain just hanging out here, but you definitely know you've had a procedure. Definitely ice it. Definitely don't overdo it. Definitely don't put on the walking boot and go walking around and disobey doctor's orders. I don't care what they tell you. Definitely get a set of crutches. They just come in handy. Don't mess with it if you don't have crutches, in my personal opinion. Can you function? Yes. Should you function without them? No. And I slept really well night number 2. No pain just sitting here like this. But if I tried to walk on this thing and do a bunch of activity, it would definitely hurt. So far so good. And I'll give you a close-up of the toes. A little swelling, little bruising here on day 3, and I'll zoom in on those for you in a second. So you pull this boot over top of your leg, put this little ball on here and suck the air out. So that's drawing a vacuum on that foot. Oh yes. Woo! That's squeezing that foot. No more than that. I'm happy to report on day 3 of bunion surgery, the shower was a success. The waterproof boot worked absolutely perfectly. Thank you, Dr. Richard Moy, for recommending it and selling it to me. It is the 4th day after bunion surgery. And it's kind of like Groundhog Day now. You ever saw that movie? I'm hanging out, leg elevated, iced, nice dog, crutches. Pain level is really a 0. Just be careful not to overdo it. Day 4 after surgery, I've got the walking boot on. Can take a look at that. This thing is not a license to go crazy and go for a jog, but you can walk in it lightly, and here's how I would recommend you do it. Small steps, small steps, small steps, small steps. That's it, nothing more. Keep your crutches handy. Just no more than 5 minutes an hour doing this is what he said. And I'm gonna keep the crutches so I can go anywhere I wanna go and just lift this thing up off the ground and not put the weight on it. But you know what the boot looks like.